How do you feel about humans exploiting other animals?
I don't think it's a good thing. Yeah.
So do you?
I've seen you guys. I'm from New York. I've seen this in New York.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You also spoken to us in New York?
I have. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I think it's what you guys are doing is a good thing.
Okay. So you agree that animals should be respected?
Yeah.
Is it possible for you to respect animals truly if you still exploit them for their flesh, milk, eggs, or other purposes?
I don't think so. Yeah.
No.
Um,
It's a contradiction.
it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you know the original definition of veganism?
I don't.
No. So, in 1951, it was defined as the ethical principle that humans should live without exploiting animals for any purpose, like for food, clothing,
Yeah.
or entertainment, like circuses, zoos, and stuff. Yeah, that the human acknowledges that the animal is not a product and not an object, but an individual that lives here on their own reasons. You agree on that principle?
Yeah. Absolutely.
Yeah. So do you know the advantage of being vegan?
From a health perspective, you mean? Is that?
I mean, you can't eat
Well, it's
only.
also good for the environment.
Yeah, that's what I want to get to. You
Yeah.
can, as a vegan, you can eat only vegan junk food, and then you're not healthy. And you can fly every day with a plane, and then you're not good for the environment.
Right.
It's not about environment or health. The biggest advantage is that you're no longer the reason animals are being exploited. And the second one is, if you claim they should be respected, you would no longer be a hypocrite. Aren't these two good reasons to make a change?
Yeah. Absolutely.
So do you have a feeling that there's anything still stopping you from being vegan?
Well, I don't seek out. I don't eat a lot of meat.
Yeah.
I don't drink milk.
Yeah.
So I've cut out a lot of animal products out of my life, generally speaking.
Yeah.
I think the hardest thing is understanding what to eat, honestly.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah. But before I can tell you a suggestion what to
Yeah.
do, if you were in the position of the victim, would you let that excuse count?
Absolutely not. No.
Yeah. See,
It's
you
a-
wouldn't let anything count.
It's a lazy excuse.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then you have to be honest. You used ChatGPT before, right?
Yeah.
Use Google.
Yeah.
So is it really that hard if you want to get some vegan food this evening to find a vegan restaurant?
Probably not.
Is it hard to find a recipe that you can cook tomorrow?
Yeah.
Right?
No. Yeah.
It's about commitment and understanding that you
Yeah.
don't want to be an animal exploiter, you don't want to be a hypocrite, and understanding you have an alternative. You have a choice as a human. They don't have a choice.
Right.
And that gives you the responsibility to do the right thing here. Right?
Yeah.
So if you were in this position, how fast would you want this injustice to end?
Pretty fast.
Yeah. So how many animals from now on have to be exploited because of you?
I hope not many. I hope not.
Should it be zero?
It should be zero.
So vegan now? Make it zero?
I can try.
Yeah.
Right.
But if you were the victim, would you find anything less acceptable than
No.
affirmative and immediate action?
No.
Yeah. So it's about deciding, committing to it,
Yeah.
and then in this position, just start, instead of searching for excuses, finding solutions.
Yeah, I agree.
You're gonna do it?
Yeah. I
Handshake
appreciate
on
it.
that.
Yeah. What's your name?
Oliver, you?
Oliver. Dave. Nice
Dave.
to meet you. Yeah.
One last question.
Yeah.
Do you agree that we as vegans should be actively defending animals?
Yes.
How would you be able to do that?
Well, by not consuming them to start. Getting involved in causes.
Yeah.
What's the name of this organization?
Anonymous for the Voiceless. I can
Okay.
give you a card.
Yeah, sure.
If you get some time now, you can jump here into the cube, we call this. Hold the screen for 10 minutes and show the public the truth about animal exploitation.
Yeah. I can't do that now. Maybe
Okay,
later.
you can't do that now. Then I give you the card about our organization.
I appreciate it.
On the back side, you find videos that you can share with your friends. You can speak about it. And you can, on the bottom, there's a way how we communicate to people, how we teach people the true meaning of veganism and how they should be held accountable for what they still do.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I appreciate it.
Yeah. So
Thank you so much.
thank you, Dave, and be active for the animals. Be their voice. Thank you.